What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. My mother was a makeup lover, of course. My kiddo is literally right behind my camera, playing on the, we bought our boys a Nintendo Switch system for Christmas, and he's playing it, and I feel like my microphone is so good that it kind of picks up all the little noises, so if you can hear that, we just ignore the noise in this house. Today, we are going hard for Blend Bunny, okay? So she has a Instagram account where she actually does face charts, and this is the one. I seen the yellow and the brown, and I was like, immediately, yes, we're putting that on my eyes. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. I am going to be doing my eyes and my base in today's video because I wanted to not only use the Blend Bunny X Robert Welsh Divination collection, but I also wanted to show you guys the other Blend Bunny X Alice blush palette. This one is the Lunar Eclipse, which is the pinks. So that's exactly what I did for you guys today. We are doing the damn thing. Here it is. The vibes. I'm very overall pleased with just how everything came out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. So yeah, that's the vibes today. That's what we're going to be doing. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you are definitely going to want to stay tuned. And of course, don't forget to wait until the very end of the video where I'll do an up close of my eyeshadow look for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And if you're curious about how I achieved this makeup look and the products that I used to do it, definitely keep on watching. I did a brow tutorial in one of my previous videos, and I don't know if I said this or not, but I bought the ABH brow freeze, and I didn't really like it. I felt like it didn't hold my brows down as good as I wanted it to, so I've just been kind of playing around with it, and I actually think I figured out the proper way to use it and it actually work and stick the brows down. So I actually bought these little they're little mascara wands, but they're real tiny. It's so for the brows, you know. $10 for a pack of 200. These are gonna last me forever. This is how I do it. This is how I've been doing it, and it actually has been sticking pretty well. So I just coat the brush, and then I comb the product through my brows backwards, and then I coat it through, shape them, you know. So I'm saturating my brow in the product. There's actually 2 steps to this. So once the brows are nice and coated, I feel like this is the step that really makes them stick down. Instead of using my NYX brow pen or pomade, brow powder. This is from the Brow Bar by Rima. Brow powder, okay? So you could use any powder you have. You can even use an eyeshadow. I just run this through my brows and fill them in with the powder. And I feel like this together, they stick pretty well. I still feel like my Combat Brow Gel is better, more beginner friendly. It sticks a lot easier, and it really holds well. So if that's something that you enjoy, I would recommend that one for sure. The inspo picture is more on a dark skinned face chart, so it's kind of hard to see the shades that are actually blending this particular look out, but I'm just gonna go with what my heart is telling me to. So of course I'm going in with the Blend Bunny X Robert Welsh Divination palette. Love this for me. And I'm thinking to use probably the browns, this orange, for sure the yellow. Yeah, we're doing it all. We're doing all the things. I'm going to start by taking the dark brown Zoltar, and I'm going to start blending this all in my crease. Excuse me. I'm kind of just blending as I go. It's okay if it's a little messy. Browns are pretty easy to clean up and blend, so I'm not too worried about it. This is kind of a purpley brown. Not mad at it. I'm gonna take shade Skeptic, this one here, just on the same brush, and blend the edges out of this dark brown. I think the only colors I've used out of this palette is the greens and the purples. So I wanted to do something a little different, and when I seen this face chart, I was like, yes, yes ma'am, that's the one. Now I'm going to take this mustard orangey yellow on a fluffy brush. This is a doe color brush, and we'll go ahead and buff that second brown shade out. So the vibe for this look is definitely gonna be like neon yellow. So just on the same brush, I'll take the shade In the Stars, which is that yellow, and I'll just go over the edges with this. And then going back in with the previous shades, the previous browns, to re-intensify everything. I'm going to go in with my PLouise Cut Carver, cut the crease, and then I'm going to lay down this base, the shade Yummy Yellow. Since the eyeshadow was so super like simple and easy, I'll go ahead and just do that with you guys. Look at this. I've had this forever. Once we have the base relaid down, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the same shades that I used on top to blend, and we're just going to start blending this in a little bit. And then I'll take the shade In the Stars, which is that yellow, and we're going to pack that all over the lid. Something like this. I want to take shade Scry, which is this yellow, inner corner. Oh, it's pretty. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm just going to take that yellow that I put in the inner corner. It kind of has like a green shift to it, which is not exactly what I wanted, but I think it's going to work out perfect anyways. So let's just do that. I'm going to take some of my lash glue and just draw a line. And then I'm going to take this tiny Jessup Beauty brush with the shimmer on it. Stamp it down. It's a little detail, a minor detail, but I think the minor details can make all the difference. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brown Zoltar. I want to kind of run this a little ways across my lash line. So I just went in with these Beauty Creation lashes in the style Flex. And now for this skin, I wanted to take the BPerfect Chroma Cover mixed with the Haus Labs foundation. This one's just really, really pale for me. So I wanted to see how it does mixed with this BPerfect one. I've never actually done this combo. So let's see. Shake them up real good. think that's gonna be a good shade match. I just feel like the BPerfect Chroma cover is just such a thick foundation as well. Like if you love like a full coverage beat, I think you would really like that one. Oh, that looks so nice on the skin. I think I just found a new favorite combo because holy crap, that's nice. I'm gonna go in with this Makeup by Mario contour stick. Still quite a bit in there, shoot. Really lather that on. I feel like this contour stick is very beginner friendly. It is a little bit more on the pricier end, but if you're like a scaredy cat when it comes to makeup, like you don't want to overdo it, I think this one's a great place to start. Holy moly donut shop. I wanted to use the pink blush palette today, so I need a pink blush. Should I take this Juvia's Place one? I think I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place one. I'll just go ahead and pop this on before whatchamacallit, concealer, because these are so pigmented. I know. This is why we did the blush first, because I'm going to go over it with my concealer and it won't be so horrifying. I'm going to go in with this Lancome concealer, and then I'll top it up with this Too Faced Born This Way. And then when I get to under my eyes, I'm just going to blend it right into the blush. See? It's already so much better. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever HD Skin Powder to set. I'm going to take this Jaclyn Under Eye Brightening Powder. I'm just going to put this in my inner corners. I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola Light. I look pretty powdery, but that's because I am. I'll go, like, once I go in with my setting spray, it'll kind of melt into the skin and it won't look so powdery. Now I'm going to go in with the Blend by X Alice blush palette, and this one's in the shade Lunar Eclipse, which is pinks. And I'm going to take the middle pink here, Crescent. And I'm going to take this on a Blend Bunny brush as well. And just tap her on. I feel like this look would have also looked really good with like the orange blush palette, but I wanted to use the pinks. I'll take shade 0, which is the lighter pink, just on like the apples of my cheeks. And then I'll take shade Eclipse right in the back area right here. These blend like an absolute dream, so do not be scared. Nice seamless under eye is the vibe. Then I'm gonna go in with the cheek glaze. This is also Blend by X Alice. I'll just kind of blend this around. Stunning. I'm gonna hit the high points with a highlighter. This one is the PLouise Everyday, what is this? The CEO. Lots of beautiful pinks. I feel like I could use probably like some of these shades as like a blush topper as well. But I'm actually gonna take the shade, well, this white one here. So this collection does come with 2 of these gloss bombs. We have a purple one and a green one. I demoed these in other videos, but I really wanted just like this chocolate lip, so I went in with the PLouise lip liner in Cocoa Clout. And then this What's Up Beauty, this is their matte lipstick in the shade Seba, S-E-B-A, and these are so cool. Let me see if I can get a good shot of this for you guys. It has like Egyptian designs over the whole lipstick. So cool. Lovely packaging. These are so pretty. And then I topped it off with the Blend Buddy lip oil in the shade Love Bite. Tell me that's not perfect. Super juicy. If you haven't tried the Blend Buddy lip oils, I would highly recommend them. But yeah, I kind of wanted to kind of talk over a little bit the Divination collection. This does also come with lashes, so it comes with 2 pair of lashes. You have a more like natural half lash, and then you have a more full lash, and then you could stack them, which is what I did. That's actually what's in here right now. They are stacked. I needed Big Daddy lashes for this look, so that's why I didn't go in with those either, but I have worn those lashes and they are so pretty, especially just like a smoky wing liner, and then those, oh, so good. Don't even get me started. So yeah, I'm going to give a little bit of my thoughts and opinions on this particular collection. If you guys haven't seen it already, I have to say there is so many shimmers in this palette, and a big thing, so their Blend Bunnies, what was it, the Primal palette, the shimmers specifically in that palette were so like, they were like very true to tone shimmers, and I feel like that's what this, like specifically this side is giving. You have your dark shimmers, and then you have your light pastel shimmers, and then you have, of course, you know how they typically do their light, medium, dark for your blends. And this one's like a little bit different than all their other palettes because, like, yeah, there's like rainbow vibes, but they're more dark, grungy, and very unique tones, and I like that. I was actually eyeballing this shade right here. I don't know why, but that is calling my name. Like, look at how stunning, even for like a dark shimmer, look how shiny that is. I don't know why that one was calling my name. I'll have to definitely do another look with this palette because it's studded. She's stunning. I'm so pleased. We know I love Blend Bunny. Like, come on here. Is this a shock? Is this a surprise? It's not. We love her. I also have to say, so this is a gloss bomb. You can try these out, or you could have them really pigmented. There is like reflex in them. These are super, super good too, the gloss bombs. I also really do like these as well. So I'm very, very happy with this like overall collection. I think they did an amazing job, and I feel like all of their collabs that they've done so far have been chef's kiss. These are the only 2 that I have, unfortunately. Of course, I'll be doing plenty more looks with this palette, and you will see the collection get rotated through other videos as well. So we're definitely not gonna skimp on, you know, using this stuff up. So yeah, I have no idea what my next video is gonna be. It's gonna be a surprise for you and me, but I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.